Creating beautiful and inviting job posts that match your company brand using our no-code live editor, right from the Homerun dashboard. Jobs in Homerun allow you to get started with your hiring. It lets qualified candidates apply, and you can start the hiring process together with your team. And to start, click the Create Job button here. This opens a modal where I can add some basic information about the job, starting with the title. Let's say we're hiring for a graphic designer. What I can do here is click the title that pops up and use a job description template. This allows me to start with a page that's already filled with a job description that's tailored to this specific job. Once in the live editor, I can choose to change or add copy and content to the job. Moving on, we have a couple of other fields we can fill in, like the job type, so full-time or part-time. You can choose the department and the location. No worries here, you can always change this later on as well. Up next is the recruitment type, and here you can choose to have a job post and an application form, or just the application form. Let's say you already have your job post on your own public website, you might not need the job post in Homerun and you're good with just the application form. For this example, I'm going to create a job post and an application form. For the job post itself, I can also choose to use a template or start from scratch with a totally blank page. Let's go for the future forward one for now. Clicking continue will take me to the live editor, where you see a preview of what the job will look like for the candidates once it's ready to apply to. This job post is built using different job blocks, which are kind of like Lego blocks that are stacked on top of each other. Where each job block ends, there's a line where you can choose to add a new job block. Here on the right, you have a couple of styling options and options to disable some of the default job blocks that are there, like the header, about the job, about the candidate, and the footer. Because I chose to start with a job post and a job description template, the page itself is already filled with information. And the great thing about these templates is that there's already some content and colors on the page. And even though I might change all the colors, change the fonts, or scrap all the content and add my own, it still prevented me from having to start from scratch from a completely blank page. And now it's time to edit. And as mentioned, this is our no-code live editor, which means I can just change or add text wherever I feel. For example, we're looking for a graphic designer, so I can remove this bit here and add graphic designer. But the magic really happens when I choose to add different job blocks. Job blocks help you to enrich the content that's already on the page, and they're a great way to show what it's like to work at your company. To do that, I need to find the end or the start of another job block and click the plus icon. There's a lot of different options to choose from to add visual elements to your page. For example, you can choose to add your Instagram feed, maybe there's a YouTube or Vimeo video you want to add, a list of the perks and the benefits that you have at your company. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a look at the team job block. And this job block is used to introduce the candidates to the team that they'll be working with. There's 4 team members already here, and I would like to add 4 different team members to this job block. So what I can do is click the plus icon 4 times, because I want to add 4 new team members, and click the picture icon here, add the pictures of the team, and start adding names. So as you can see, no code was needed. I could just add the pictures and change the copy. You can choose to add job blocks wherever you like in the page. You can remove job blocks, you can shuffle them, and you can really create a page that's showing what it's like to work at your company as a graphic designer. You don't have to publish your job right away. Once you're happy with it, or once you want the team member to take over and finish up the job, you can click Save Draft here to save your draft. If you have any further questions about creating a job or using job blocks, you can use the chat icon right here to contact our support team, and they'll be happy to help. You can also check out our other videos to learn more about Homerun.